What's up, guys? So today we're out here at the project barn close to the shop, and we've got our kind of long-term projects, all over paint jobs, kind of stuff waiting on parts and stuff like that. I got a personal project here I thought y'all might be interested in, so I figured we'd go around it and kind of show you where we're at on it, and maybe keep some more videos going of this project. Seems like something that a lot of people would be interested in. So right here is my 94 Dodge Ram 2500, 12 valve Cummins and 5-speed manual, 4-wheel drive. I bought this truck a while back. It was low miles. Nothing was really messed with on it. An old man had it. All the exhaust was stock air filter, stock fueling, everything. So I bought it. I thought it was a good truck to start with. So we'll kind of give you a look around on it. We've been working on it. I put a leveling kit on it. We pulled the bed off, pressure washed all up under the bed. It needs a paint job, obviously, but I know a guy, and put the Moose Power mirrors on it. But on the motor, we pulled the fuel plate out, and we pulled the front cover off and did the killer dowel pin fix. So we wanted it bulletproof, and we put a new AC system on it, new condenser, new dryer. So all the interior was kind of trashed, and it was blue. So you know, on these trucks, I'm sure you're familiar, the trucks, the dashes in these trucks fall apart. So the dash was just totally destroyed. So over here, behind the crash car, I bought this truck. Old Grandpa had it. All these trucks were owned by Grandpa. And it's a gas burner with a bad transmission. The interior was flawless. Same year, same cab. And it was gray. So we stripped all the interior out of this one here. All the blue interior. And we put all gray interior out of the other one. So we got some videos of that, kind of working on it. I have some before pictures we'll stitch in this video of the interior. So the carpet, we pressure washed it. The dash pad on the top, I bought a replacement one from Summit or something like that, I think, or maybe it was LMC, but bought the replacement plastic top of the dash. As you can see, it's a pretty low mile truck, and I think it did a lot of sitting outside, so the paint's pretty crappy, but we're working on the paint, and we got some goodies for it. Over here, there's a ranch hand, just like the one that's on the front of this truck, over there for the front bumper for this truck. And then over here we got a flatbed, Bradford built flatbed that's going to go on it. I can't remember what model they call this flatbed, but it's Bradford. I think they have a work bed, and I think they have one above that. I think this is the one above the work bed. So it's all LED lights. Pretty nice bed. Has these little flip down rails and all. It's got the gooseneck ball and the hitch built into the back, and pretty nice bed anyway. So that'll go on there. First, we're gonna give it a good paint job first. I think what I want to do is like a battleship gray, like the new Dodge Challengers, if you've seen any of those. So I think we'll do the cab in that. Of course, we're gonna have to do the jams and everything, but I want to do all that before we put the bed and the brush guard, or the bumper brush guard deal on it. So we'll fire it up and let y'all hear it. It's bone stock exhaust still. We got the passenger side fender off, so that battery's out. So it's starting on one battery, but it runs good. But anyway, so that's a little project truck that I'm working on, kind of a personal project. Of course, we may use it for the shop. We got a little car hauler. We can go get cars that's been in a collision that's not drivable. So we'll probably use it for that some. So it'll be for the business and my personal truck. So anyway, I figured that'd be something that you guys would be interested in. And like I said, we got some pictures and some other video that we'll stitch in on this truck from while we were working on it before. But and then we'll keep y'all updated on the other stuff. We'll probably do a series of videos on this one. We'll probably post this video, and then we'll do some more as we go along and post them. But we'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching.
What are you working on?
I ain't real sure. Put some insulation in here.
We just put Rockford Fosgate 6x9s, and what was that, 5 1/4?
Yeah. Yeah.
They're pretty decent sounding.
New stereo. And
That's Kenwood? Where do you get that?
Walmart, I think.
Huh.
And then a new dash.
The dash is nice. I guess he's going. Obviously, he's going to have to dye all the panels gray.
Well, we're taking them all out of the other truck. Well, we can't use the door panels because it was power window. And he wants to stay with manual windows, so I think he's going to paint them or dye them matte. Other than that, it'll be all the interiors and the other truck all gray.
Yeah. It's too bad I didn't film that before the dash was in here. It looked like a tornado had been in there.
Yeah, there wasn't nothing left. Plastic was just disintegrated. Typical Dodge dash.
What year's this truck?
94. The only reason it's worth doing is the Cummins motor.
Yeah. The body around it's worthless, just the Cummins.
Yeah.
And the manual transmissions are alright.
Yeah. And it's easier to fix this one than to put all that in some other vehicle.
Yeah.
These trucks are okay if they're in good shape.
Is he gonna do anything performance-wise to it?
Yeah, a little bit. I'm gonna replace that pin in the front timing gear that tends to come out sometimes, and probably turn the fuel up a little bit, maybe the boost up a little bit.
Yeah.
And I think that's about it. Nothing crazy. Probably not a turbo or anything.
They put intercoolers. These were always intercooled.
Yeah, this
from
one's
the
intercooled.
from the start.
It's the early first gen ones.
Yeah. Okay.
that
I know the 7.3s they didn't intercool them to begin
Yeah,
with.
it makes a big difference.
Oh yeah. There's the what's left of the old dash.
Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Stay tuned, subscribe so you get notifications. We'll do some more videos on this truck as we go along. Next we plan on probably starting body work on the cab and getting it ready for paint.